You're gonna cry at how much stuff there is.
Oh, Jesus. So today we're moving house, currently staying in an Airbnb for a couple of nights, just because we didn't have anywhere in between our old house and our new house.
I'm so stressed.
We've got all our stuff in a storage place and gonna get a couple of Ubers because we have no friends with cars to take.
We just have no friends.
We just have no friends, apart from the 6 people, 7 people, 8 people, 9 people that we're moving in with. We're moving in with a lot of people, but it's a beautiful day. It should be pretty fun. Look at that sunshine, blue sky. Oh.
You're gonna cry at how much stuff there is.
Oh, Jesus. Stress city, mate.
Sorry, we could
just work it out. That is a nice padlock. So we tried to get an Uber XL and only Rachel's Uber account is working, so we tried to get Rachel's mum to order a second Uber XL for all of this shit here. And then basically all the Ubers were taken, so we ended up calling a man with a van type thing.
A man with a van.
That's what it is. That's like normally what they call us. You know what? Loyal viewers out there, they know what I'm talking about.
Oh, jeez.
And now they're going to be here in 20 minutes and not only drive our shit, but even lift our shit. Fuck yeah. And just like magic, we're back at the house and there's a massive shit pile in our room. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that. We have way too much shit. Oh god. Absolutely fucked.
I can't even get this off.
Rachel, on a scale of 1 to 10, how stressed are you?
I'd give it a good 11.
We're getting there slowly. I'm so tired.
I want to die. Times 10. I mean, look how crazy my hair is right now.
At least we've got booze.
I haven't, I've run out of it.
You don't want my beers?
I will.
Right, so I basically just realised that we didn't even explain that we went to IKEA. We took the tram out there just to buy a few things, obviously just with moving into the new house. So anyway, now that you know that, back to the vlog. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good shout actually. Oh, but maybe not denim.
Yeah, we don't want
Disgusting. No offense to all those denim buyers out there. Shout out to my denim fans.
if we had a cat.
Oh yeah, cat would definitely chill out in there. How are we going so far? Successful? Yeah, I'm pretty happy so far, yeah. Stopping for little brewskis.
Yes.
Yeah. What are we going to next?
Home furnishing accessories.
Ah, yeah.
So I'm going to end up buying a lot of stuff you don't need.
Yeah, basically. Got it? Terrible. What? Oh look, it's our new mirror.
Really arty.
It's really nice, that. So we just got back from IKEA and started building like the furniture and stuff, the drawers, cupboard thingies, and I realised we left the camera, left the camera in the taxi, which was a heart attack moment. We bought this camera like last week, so yeah, I was about to go kill myself. Anyway, look at our nice new things. Look at that. I mean, you don't have a scale of what it looked like before. Very beautiful. And yeah, these will look hopefully pretty good under the bed. You'll see in a minute. Finished the room off. Pretty happy with it all. Got the bookshelves all built up and put under the bed, so we got way more storage now. Took us like 2 weeks to finally get all of our shit together, but I think it looks pretty good.
So we'll show you around. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake all the negative energy away. Oh, not hurt myself. See, this is why I don't exercise. Jesus Christ.